करूं वो पोस्टर दबाना पड़ेगा, सब कुछ कर दिया. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important, guys, a very tremendous session designed for you based on algebra plus trigonometry. Based on algebra plus trigonometry. So come on guys, do join me, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments as well. Please do not forget to let me know by your comments as well. Okay, so after the joining, guys, next thing you should be doing is, after the joining, the next thing you should be doing is sharing as well. Sharing it as well. Okay. So let's move on. Hello Ram, how are you? I hope you are absolutely great. So do the sharings, guys. Do the sharing so that a lot others can also join us. Okay. So we are going to do a lot of questions today, guys, based on algebra plus trigonometry. And we are beginning from here, guys. We are beginning from here. Lot of important questions what we have not catered in these 12 to 15 sessions. We will cater it today. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Great. So is it visible properly? If you have read the three formulas carefully, if you have read the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube carefully, you would be knowing that this is nothing but, if you have read the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc carefully, you might have known this, sir. This is, just a moment. Just a moment. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to half of a minus b का whole square plus b minus c का whole square plus c minus a का whole square plus c minus a का whole square. Okay. It is a minus b का whole square, b minus c का whole square, c minus a का whole square. Okay. So if you look it carefully, guys, you will say, sir, this is nothing but a minus b minus 2. Minus 2 का square 4. Minus 2 का square 4. b minus c minus 2. Minus 2 का square 4. c minus a 4. 4 का square 16. 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2, 12 is the ultimate answer. 12 is the ultimate answer. Okay, great. Let's move on. Hello Prajwal, how are you? Hello Harshit, great to have you all over here. Do the sharings as well, guys. Do the sharings as well so that others can also join us properly on the time. They would not be late. Okay, great. Okay, perfect. You can, but Okay, I think it would be properly audible now. I think it would be properly audible now. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. So answer would be 257. However, if you want to do it completely, hello Kashi, however, if you want to do it completely, then if A is 8 plus 3 root 7, then B is 1 upon 8 plus 3 root 7. Rationalize by 8 minus 3 root 7. Rationalize by 8 minus 3 root 7. It will become 8 minus 3 root 7. And in the denominator, 64 minus 63, 1. So B is just conjugate of it. B is just conjugate of it. So, or you can say B can be written as 1 upon A as well. So 1 upon A is 8 minus 3 root 7. If A is 8, 3 root 7 and 1 upon A is 8 minus 3 root 7, then A plus 1 upon A is 16. If A plus 1 upon A is known, what else we want? What else we want? We know everything. Hello Kashi. Vanakkam. If we know A plus 1 upon A, then what else we want? We know everything. We know everything. Okay? Let's move on. Let's move on. Observer finds that the angular elevation of a tower is A. On advancing 3 meters towards the tower, it becomes 45. On advancing 2 meters further, it becomes 90 minus A. Initially, the angular elevation of a tower is A. Great. On advancing 3 meters towards it, it becomes 45. On advancing again, it becomes 90 minus A. Cool. Very good. Yeah, very good. Okay. So, this distance is given as 3 meters. Then on advancing 2 meters further, this is 2 meters. What is the height? Let the height is h and this distance is x. Let the height is h and this particular distance is x. Guys, I have told you something. I have told you something about complementary angles. I have told you something about complementary angles. That in case of complementary angles, height is equal to under root their distances. So one is at a distance of x and another one is at a distance of x plus 5. Is it perfectly okay? Is it perfectly okay? Come on, tell me. Height is equal to under root of x into x plus 5. Once you square it, h square is x into x plus 5. Okay. Once you square it, h square is equal to x into x plus 5. Now, for 45, we know that the perpendicular and base are equal. For 45, we know that perpendicular and base are equal. So h is equal to x plus 2. H is equal to x plus 2, or you can say, sir, x is equal to h minus 2. Is it perfect, guys? Is it perfect? So h square is equal to x is h minus 2, and this will become h minus 2 plus 5, h minus 2 plus 5. H minus 2 plus 5 is h plus 3. Cool. Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Perfect. Perfect. So now h square is equal to h square minus 2h plus 3h minus 6. H square will get cancelled out. This is plus h. This will come here. Plus h is equal to 6. So what a beautiful question. Great question. Please do watch out once. Please do watch out once. If it is clear to all, do let me know. Do let me know. So sometimes remembering some standard results really help. Sometimes remembering some standard results really help. Okay. And you might have seen the example of that today. You might have seen the example of this today. Let's move on. Oh, this is doable. This is doable. You all will nail it. Yeah. You all will nail it. You all will kill this question. I was expecting a huge crowd today because generally we were maintaining 10 to 12 persons. But today I think people are in a mood of holiday. Yeah, today we are in students are in a mood of holiday. Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus this is given as 3025. They are asking what is 2 cube plus 4 cube plus this. Okay. A error happens here. A error happens over here. Guys, when it is being finding about 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 8 cube up to 20 cube, if you will take 2 outside, guys, will you take 2 common, or you will take 2 ka cube common? Will you take 2 common, or will you take 2 ka cube common? Obviously you have to take 2 ka cube common outside. So it will become 1 ka cube, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 ka cube, up to 10. If this value would not have been given as well, this is extra information. This is extra. If this value would not have been given as well, still we would be able to find out this answer. Still we would be able to find out this information. What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube up to 10 cube? If the examiner would be testing your more skills, he should have not given this. If he want to test more skills, he should not have given this. Okay. So what is 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube? It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 ka whole square. It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 ka whole square. It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 ka whole square. However, since it is given to us, so we are not interested in it now. So 24,200. 24,200. 24,200. Okay. Do some questions for me. Do some questions for me. Fast, quickly. 5 questions for me. Quickly. 5 cube, 6 cube, up to 10 cube. 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square up to 20 square. Chalo, only 2 questions. Only 2 questions. Only 2 questions. 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 10 cube up to 10 cube. 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square up to 20 square. Just 2 questions for me, guys. Then you would be free from this. Okay. We can write this as 1 cube plus 2 cube up to 10 cube. Because the formula is there when the series starts from 1. The formula is only applicable. The formula is only applicable when the series start from 1. The formula is only applicable when the series start from 1. Minus 1 cube plus 2 cube up to 4 cube. Okay. The formula is only applicable when the series start from 1. Okay. What is the formula for 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube? It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 ka whole square. It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 ka whole square. So, here n is 10. So, 10 into 11 by 2 ka whole square. Minus, here it is 4. So, 4 into 5 by 2 ka whole square. 4 into 5 by 2 का whole square. 55 का square minus 10 का square. 55 का square minus 10 का square. 55 का square minus 10 का square. Either do it by the way of a minus b, a plus b. Either do it by the way of a minus b, a plus b, or by the 55 square is also a very easy number. Saurav, 12 noon, okay. Either do it by 55 ka square. 55 ka square is a very easy number. 5 into 6, 30. 3025 minus 100. 2925. 2925. Clear? टेक्निकल टीम से आज भी आया सर छुट्टी बोर्ड हैंग कर रहा है मतलब लिख रहा हूँ ना तो वो ओवरराइट कर रहा है नहीं बीच क्लास पे नहीं है What is the answer of 11 square plus 12 square up to 20 square? You will say, sir, it is 1 ka square plus 2 ka square up to 20 ka square minus 1 ka square plus 2 square up to 10 ka square. Perfect? Perfect. It is 1 ka square plus 2 square up to 20 square minus 1 ka square plus 2 square up to 10 ka square. Because we only know the formula for series starting from 1. 1 square plus 2 square up to n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divide by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divide by 6. So here the n is 20, 20, n plus 1, 21, 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is 41. Divide by 6. And here the n is 10, n plus 1, 11, 2n plus 1, 21. Divide by 6. Yeah, formula is different for a square. Na? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6. Okay? Got it or not? I assume that you know it. I assume that you know it. Yeah. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6. So, can I take 21 by 6 common, bacha? Can I take 21 by 6 common? I can. I can take 21 by 6 common. So, 21 by 6 is common. 820 minus 110. 820 minus 110. 21 by 6 into 710. 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja. Okay? And this is 355. So answer is 355 into 7. What is the answer? 355 into 7. What is the answer? 355 into 7. Just do it and give me the answer. 355 into 7. 2485. 2485. Is it perfect? Is it perfect? So for the first one, answer is this. And for the second one, answer is 2485. For your revision, guys, for your revision, yeah, you can revise it later on. You can revise it later on, yeah, you can revise it later on. And these are the two formulas which I have written for them. And these are the two formulas what I have written for them. This is for cube and this is for squares. This is for cube, this is for squares. Let's back to the questions again. Oh, now this is like a easy peasy for you. Now this is like a easy peasy for you. We have done it now. Basically, we have done it. It's 1 square till 18 square. It's 1 square till 18 square minus 1 square till 7 square. Pen is working cool over PPT, but not that cool over note. Yeah. So n 18, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6. n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6. n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divide by 6. Let me write it out. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divide by 6. Okay. Do you want to take something common? Do you want to take something common, guys? What are you thinking about? Or even you can simplify it 3 times, or even you can simplify it 2 times, then 5 times, then 4 times. Yeah, that is also cool. That is also cool. 37 into 3. It is looking a magical number to me. 37 into 3 is a magical number to me. I think it is 111. It is 111. And this is 20 into 7. This is 20 into 7. So now do it and get to the answers. Now do it and get to the answers. How to multiply, guys? How can you multiply 111 into 19? You will say, sir, 19, 19, 19, 9, 10, 11, 2109 minus 140. So it's 1969. Perfectly okay? Perfectly okay? We can also go for the unit digit. Oh, unit digits are same. Unit digits are same. Unit digits are same. So we cannot go for unit digit. However, we know that answer should be in the line 1900. So this gone, this gone, this gone, this gone. Okay. Let's move on. Quadratic equations, quadratic equations, quadratic equations. Sum of roots is alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b upon a. And product of roots is equal to c upon a. And product of roots is equal to c upon a. And product of roots is equal to c upon a. What are these a, b, and c? These a, b, c are the coefficient of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. These a, b, c are the coefficients of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of the roots is equal to 4/3 of their product. Sum of the roots is equal to 4/3 of their product. Means alpha plus beta is equal to 4 times of their product alpha beta. Cool and clear. Cool and clear. Okay. So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. This is your b. This is your complete is your b. This complete is your b. So minus b is minus of minus, yeah? So plus b. B. B upon A. A is 1. C upon A. C is 3k minus 2. Upon A, 1. Gone. K plus 8 is equal to 12k minus 24. Okay? Is it cool? Guys, 11 क्यों आ रहा है? 3/4. Oh my god. Oh my god. 4/3. Okay, 4/3 of their product. So 4/3 of their product. So it is 4k minus 8. So this k will go that side and this 8 will come this side. K is equal to 16 by 3. K is equal to 16 by 3. K is equal to 16 by 3. Guys, cool and clear? Perfect. Okay, yeah. I observed it. Luckily, I observed it on time. Yeah. Okay. Great. Let's move on. This is done. This is done in the trigonometry sessions. Wow. Lot of important questions. However, those who know it, for them it's just nothing. Yeah. Those who know it, for them it's just nothing. Yeah. Minimum value of the quadratic equation 4ac minus b square over 4a. Minimum value of the quadratic equation 4ac minus b square over 4a. Minimum value of the quadratic equation is 4ac minus b square over 4a. Then for x is equal to minus b upon 2a. This is I added later. Okay, there can be two questions. One is about what is the minimum value of the quadratic equation? And the second question can be for what value of x it will be a minimum. For what value of x it would be minimum? In that case, answer would be minus b upon 2a. So yeah. So minus b is minus of 8 over 2a minus 4 by 5. The ultimate logic of it is quadratic equation is of the shape of parabola. Yeah. Quadratic equation is of the shape of parabola. Let's suppose this is the point where it gives the minimum value. And the coordinate of this point are x is equal to minus b upon 2a and y is equal to 4ac minus b square over 4a. These results we can derive either from quadratic equation, either from making a perfect square. These results we can derive from either making a perfect square or by differentiation as well. However, if you remember this as well, that is more than sufficient. Teaching you how to make a perfect square is not necessary at this moment. So for x is equal to minus b upon 2a, this function is minimum, and the minimum value of the function is 4ac minus b square over 4a. And the minimum value of the function is the 4ac minus b square over 4a. Clear? This is the graph for A positive. This is the graph for A greater than 0. A positive. A positive. This is the graph for A positive. If A would be negative, there would be no change. There would be no change. Yeah. There would be no change for inverted parabola. For inverted parabola, the coordinates are going to remain the same. The coordinates are going to remain the same. X is equal to minus b upon 2a and y is equal to 4ac minus b square over 4a. Only we would be calling it as maxima. Only our perception will change, that is maxima. The same value, the same coordinates will act as maxima. The same coordinates will act as maxima. However, the way of finding them is going to remain same. However, the way of finding them will remain same. And this is the graph for A less than 0. This is the graph for A less than 0. Okay. So basically, guys, for SSC aspirants, generally it is not required whether it is inverted or whether it is actual parabola, because answer in both cases are same. Answer in both cases are same. So SSC aspirants are only interested in, okay, what is the value of X for which minimum or maximum? Minus b upon 2a. And what is the maximum or minimum? 4ac minus b square. SSC aspirant is such a genius kind of students that they are only interested in, sir, we know for what value of X? Minus b upon 2a. And what is the minimum or maximum value? 4ac minus b square over 4a. And what is the minimum or maximum value? 4ac minus b square upon 4a. Perfect hai? Clear? Let's move on. Guys, I have such questions over quadratic. You won't believe I have such questions over quadratic. Like, if I give you those questions, you would be like thrilled. You would be like thrilled. But ultimately, why I doesn't give that, sometimes then we would be reaching beyond examination level. Yeah. Then sometimes you would be reaching beyond level. Otherwise, if I give them to you guys, you would be like damn happy. Okay. Alpha cube plus beta cube. A cube plus B cube is A plus B का whole square, A plus B का whole square minus 3AB. A plus B is sum of roots. A plus B is sum of roots and A into B is product of roots. Sum of roots is like 5 minus B upon A and product of roots is C upon A, 25. And product of roots is C upon A, 25. So alpha plus beta is 5 ka square 25 minus 3 times of alpha into beta, 25. 5 times of minus 50 minus 250. Have you ever thought that answer would be this much negative? Guys, if anyone has to mark the answer, without even solving it, I don't think so. None of you will mark this, huh? Like you have to mark the answer in 1 second. You might have gone for this. Either of these. And most of you might have gone for this 125. Like you don't have even a second. like you don't have even a second, then you might have gone for it. Okay, let's move. Let's move on. Well done, Abhishek. Well done, Abhishek. So, Harshit, how is going there, Harshit? Is the quality maintained there? Okay. 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 Great, great, great. Chalo, good, good. Okay. Y sin theta is equal to 3x cos theta. Y sin theta is equal to 3x cos theta. X cosec theta plus y sec theta is equal to 8. What is 9x square plus y square? Okay. A mixture of trigo and algebra. A mixture of trigo and algebra. Trigo and algebra. Okay. A mixture of trigo and algebra. Guys, there are three variables x, y, and theta. There are three variables x, y, and theta. And there are only two equations. And there are only two equations. So assume theta as 45. Why 45? Because in case of cosec, sec, sine, or if all are there, we always assume theta is equal to 45. If cosec, sec, everything is there, we always assume theta is equal to 45. At theta is equal to 45, sine and cos are equal to each other. Y is equal to 3x. And at theta is equal to 45, cosec 45 is root 2. And sec 45 is also root 2. So x plus y is 8 by root 2. X plus y is 8 by root 2. Okay. Put y is equal to 3x. Put y is equal to 3x. So x will come. So x will come root 2. X will come root 2. X will come root 2. Okay. So the desired answer is 9x ka square root 2 ka square 2. And y is 3 times of it. So 3 root 2. And 3 root 2 ka square is, and 3 root 2 ka square is 9 into 2. Yeah. 18 plus 18, 36. Come on, any doubts, guys? Please do tell me. Any doubts? Please do tell me. Any doubts? Please do tell me. Any doubts? Any confusions whatsoever? It's a quality one. It's a quality one. Identify by yourself. Identify by yourself. Identify by yourself. Identify by yourself. Okay. Let's move on. You can, but yeah, but then even that these would not be equal. Kashi, then even these would not be equal, and this would also be a complicated equation. As of now, it's a simple equation y is equal to 3x. As of now, it's a simple equation y is equal to 3x. If you take them unequal, then even this will become complicated. Why you want to do this? Cool and clear? Great. Wow. This was in CGL 2019 pre. Lot of questions, guys, like this are coming these days. Lot of questions like these are coming these days, guys. Lot of questions like this are coming these days. A huge increase in these questions, yeah. Ankit Sharma. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are from where, Ankit? So nice to know you. Can I know his name as well? Can I know his name as well? Yeah, definitely, definitely. Guys, these are becoming very famous these days. These questions are becoming very famous these days, okay? Like, guys, you cannot form the equation. You cannot form the equation. Even if you try, you will get stuck. Even if you try, you will get stuck. If you try it by sine by cos, let me see it whether equation will work or not. Whether equation will work or not. I think it can work, na? It can work. It can work. Let me see down once. Sine theta into cos theta. Oh, it will work, yeah. It will work. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Then there is one more question in which equation does not work. Here it is working. Okay, wow, Ankit. So, from my place. Okay. So basically what is happening, bacha, this is getting simplified. This is getting simplified. 1 upon sine theta cos theta is equal to 2 upon sine theta. So cos theta is 1 by 2. Theta is 60 degree. This is getting simplified. This is getting simplified. This is getting simplified. And a lot of the oh wow, yeah, Ram. This is getting simplified. If this is getting simplified, that is the reason we can find out. Otherwise, there is one question. If it is possible, then this will come in today's session, where if you form the equation, if you convert into the equations, it becomes complicated. Sine 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3. Arey wow, a lot of people here. Lot of students here. Ram, great. I was not aware about it. Next. Yeah, Sachin, Kashi, I was in I was in the stadium that day. That was one of the memorable days of the life till. Yeah, I was there that day. Luckily, luckily. What a fabulous inning it was. Yeah, what a fabulous. No, no wrong shot in the entire inning. Yeah, isn't it, Kashi? Okay. No, even not a miss shot in the entire inning. Even not a single miss shot in the entire inning. Okay. Sin A plus 1 upon sin A is equal to 3. Sin A plus 1 upon sin A is equal to 3. What is sin square A plus 1? I think this is a question of algebra, isn't it? This is a question of algebra that x plus 1 upon x is given, and what is x square plus 1 upon x square, which is going to be 3 chi square minus 2, 7. Which is going to be 3 chi square minus 2, 7. X plus 1 upon x given, and x square plus 1 upon x square is 7. Next. Uh, but how can you forget, Ram? How can you forget that he has Mr. Dhoni has not given the strike for 4-5 overs? How can you forget that? Huh? Mr. Dhoni has taken the strike for 4-5 overs. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes, definitely. That is also the valid point. That is also the valid point. Are you going for values? Are you going for values? If you are going for values, then please make sure you assume cos as a rational number. You assume cos as a rational number. Because if you will assume it third, it will never become equal to 7. It will never become equal to 7. Yeah, it's looking like me a quadratic question. It is looking like a quadratic question from the options. It is looking like a quadratic questions from the options, okay? So, however, I will try it, but I have less hopes, okay? So, cos theta is 1 by 2 for 60 degree. So, 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. And sine 60 root 3 by 2. And root 3 by 2 ka square 3 by 4. No, it will not. It will not satisfy for any famous value. It will not satisfy for any famous value. You have to go for quadratic for sure. You have to go for quadratic for sure. No other chance. It will never satisfy for any of the famous value. You have to go for quadratic. 15 minus 15 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta is equal to 7. Take it this side. 8 is equal to 15 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. So make it quadratic, perfect quadratic. 15 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 8 is equal to 0. What is the product? What is the product? 120. What is the product? 120. What is the difference? 2. Think. 120. 120 product, 2 difference. 10 and 2. 10 and 2. Negative. So take 10 and 12. 10 and 12 here. So take 12 negative, bigger number negative, and smaller number positive. Take bigger number positive, smaller number negative to maintain the negative sign. To maintain the negative sign. Take 3 common from here. 3 cos theta. It will become 5 cos theta minus 4. Okay. Take 2 common from here. So it will become 5 cos theta minus 4. 5 cos theta minus 4. 3 cos theta plus 2. Very clearly mention X is first quadrant. X is first quadrant. And in the first quadrant, cos is positive. In the first quadrant, cos is positive. So we will take the positive value of cos. So we will not take it. We will take cos theta. Oh, we could have guessed this, yeah? We could have guessed this as well. 4, 5, 3. However, it's difficult for students to guess on this level, but you can. How to guess, guys? Guess a right angle triangle. But it's very difficult in the real world. 1 out of 100 can guess this right angle triangle only in the examination. 99 out of 100 will not be able to guess this right angle triangle directly, including me. Only 1 out of 100, only 1 out of 100 can guess this triangle writing directly. 99 could not. 99 could not. So, cot theta plus tan theta. What is cot theta? 4 by 3. And what is sin theta? 3 by 5. 15. 20 plus 9. 29 by 15. Yeah. Clear, guys? Clear? Clear? Come on, tell me, come on, tell me, come on, tell me, guys, if some important trigonometry questions are coming, guys. Latest. The most latest trigonometry questions are coming in front of you. Among the most latest trigonometry questions are coming in front of you. Sec into cos 1. And what is sec into sine? As of now, write sec into sine only. Yeah. as of right sec into sine as well. However, you know sec is 1 upon cos, so it will become cos in the denominator. Oh, I'm writing too much of steps. It will become 1 plus tan is equal to 2. So tan theta is 1. So tan theta is 1, which means its theta is equal to 45. Which means its theta is equal to 45. 2 sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 ka square 1 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sine 45 1 by root 2. 1 upon 2 by root 2. Very, 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 very detailed, guys. I solved it like this. If someone is watching for the first time, even he can understand it. I take it too detailed. Yes, Ram, why not? Latest problem, guys. Okay, share the approach, guys. Every one of you, please share the approach what you are doing by seeing this question. What comes to your mind in the first 5 seconds when you watch this problem? How will you proceed? What comes to your brain when you see this problem? Okay, share the approach. And I will share what comes to my mind as well when I will solve it. Archit, what is this? A or B? What is this? Huh? Have you put theta is equal to 45? Because this answer, the answer which Harshit has given can only be given by putting theta is equal to 45. Okay. Guys, the problem with theta is equal to 45 is this, that these two will clash and these two will clash. Both will give the same answer. Both will give the same answer. So theta is equal to 45 is out of the task now. Cot and tan is there. So 0 and 90 are also out of the task. Cot and guys, what do you say? 0 and 90 are also out of the task because cot and tan is there. One will become infinite at 0. One will become infinite at 90. Out of the task. So only thing which remains is 30 degree. Or 60 degree. So the value putters have done it by 30. Cot 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 ka square, 1 by 3. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 ka square is 3 by 4. Cot 30. Oh, cot 30 is root 3. Oh my God. Yeah, I will do it later on. Even sin and cos is my favorite. So cot 30 is root 3. 3 का square 3. 3 plus 1 by 3. 12. 12 minus 3, 9 by 4. 4 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Oh, 13 by 3. Let's hope I have not done any kind of calculation hack. Guys, have I done a calculation hack? Okay. 2 plus. 2 plus. Situation will change. Let's hope situation will change after this. 9 by 4. 5 plus 1 by 3 is 16 by 3. Oh, it's better now. It's better now. It's better now. 9 by 4, 16 by 3. Now all of them are perfect cube. All of them are perfect cube. It's better now. It's better now. For theta is equal to 30. For theta is equal to what? For theta is equal to 30. You know it is root 3 by 2. And root 3 by 2 की power 6 is 3 का square divide by 4, 3 का cube over 4 का cube, which is 27 by 64 answer. Answer. Those who will do by my favorite, those who will do by my favorite will do in this manner, will do it in this manner, sine upon cos. Convert everything into sine and cos. Those who will do it by my favorite will do in this manner. Whenever there are all together, whenever there are all together, whenever there are all together, the favorite is convert everything into sine and cos. Is this step clear? Is this step clear? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Tan and cot got cancelled out. Taking cos square theta common, it will become 1 minus sine square theta upon sine square theta. Divide by sine upon cos plus cos upon sine. Should I write it? Sine upon cos plus cos upon sine. It's cot square theta into cos square theta. Or we can say, a bit smartness I need to show is cos की power 4 theta upon sine square theta. This will become sine square plus cos square 1 upon sine theta cos theta. Oh ho. Sine square theta cos square theta. This cos square theta will also go on the top and will become cos की power 6 theta. Clear? Clear, guys? Hello, Betmola. Hello, Adrish. Adrish. Clear, 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 clear. Okay, great. Let's move on. Yeah, this is the skill, guys, you need to develop. This is the skill you will develop over time of identifying a question which should be tackled through value putting, or identifying a question which should be tackled by converting everything into sin and cos. This is the skill, guys, which you will develop with the time in the next 3 to 4 months, guys, that how to identify a problem which should be which you should be going with theta, or how to identify a problem which you should be going with the value putting. And I will help you out in developing this skill. However, all the skills are developed individually, but a teacher can help out in making it develop it. Yeah. Unnecessary, it will become complicated. It cannot be simplified. So go for some values. Go for some values, guys, because it cannot be simplified in such a easy manner. Oh, cot famous value is 1. Cot famous value is 1. So think about 45. So think about 45. Let's see whether 45 can satisfy this equation or not. 2 minus sine 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. It is 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Perfect. Chalo. Let's move on. Have any of you oh, how can any one of you would be sitting in today's CDS? Otherwise, you would not have been watching my session. Guys, you know today's CDS. So I will see you in the CDS analysis over Exampur CDS channel. The quant of CDS is very helpful for the quant of SSC. The quant of CDS is very helpful, guys, and it's very helping for the people, those who are preparing for SSC. Do you know this? No? Do you know this quant? Quant of CDS is very, very helpful for the people, those who are preparing for CGL. It's a concept builder. It's a concept builder. Okay. Yeah, Prajwal. Even I should have joined the skill that today as well. But A minus B, A plus B. A minus B, A plus B. Have we done this problem sometime? I'm getting a recall. A plus B, A minus B, A plus B. Add all. Add all. Take x plus y plus z common. So it is x plus y minus z plus y plus z minus x plus x plus z minus y. 25. 1 minus z will take care of plus z. 1 plus y will take care of 1 minus y. 1 plus x will take care of minus x. So it is x plus y plus z 2 times. So it is x plus y plus z 2 times. So it is x plus y plus z 2 times. Yeah. Please quickly, guys, like and share the session as well. It's being almost a 1.5 hour. Uh, yeah, please do like it and share it as well, uh, so that because I am now feeling that okay, we can keep it till here only. We can keep it till here only. I'm getting that kind of feeling. But even if you guys share it, then I can change my feelings as well. These digital pens are cool, guys. There is nothing inside them, yeah? There is nothing inside them. Yeah. So, I think we should open it. What is a plus b ka whole square plus a minus b ka whole square? What is a plus b ka whole square plus a minus b ka whole square? It is 2 times of a square plus b. It is 2 times of a square plus b square. It is 2 times of a square plus b square. So I want you to make use of this property. 2 times of a square, 1 ka square plus b square. If you use this property, guys, I would be the happiest person. I would be the happiest person, okay? They will cancel out each other. Answer is 60. Use this, guys. This is such a next level thing. This is such a next level thing that a plus b ka whole square plus a minus b ka whole square is twice of a square plus b square. Twice of a square plus b square. Twice of a square plus b square. And what is the next thing, guys? It is a plus b ka whole square minus a minus b ka whole square is equal to 4. These two are next level things, yeah? You know I'm a great fan of these two. You know, guys, I'm a great fan of these two, and I use them a lot. I use them a lot. From here, I derive some of the very important properties. From here, I derive some of the very important properties of algebra. I'm talking about what? Guys, I'm talking about what? I'm talking about the relation of x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. I'm talking about the relation of x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. This is I derive from here. Yeah? This is I derive from here. If x plus 1 upon x is a, then x minus 1 upon x is under root of a square minus 4. Under root of a square minus 4. This is, guys, about the Exampur official app. You might be knowing, guys, that Exampur has developed a very good app, or in the process of developing a very good app. The only complete solution, guys, the only place where you can find lot of offerings. And what are those offering? Paid courses, guys. Obviously, those who want a structured preparation, those who want a complete preparation, for them once in a lifetime paid course is compulsory. Yeah? For them once in a lifetime paid course is compulsory. Okay, Harshit and these people have already done it once. Yeah, once with me and once with our team. Okay, so So once you have to do a paid course. So those who are beginners can definitely go for it. But what are the offerings for? What are the offerings for those who are in the preparation for past few months? Yeah, those who are in the preparation for past 6, 8, 10, 12, 15 months. Quizzes, job alerts. After long preparations, sometimes guys we got in a habit of missing the job alerts. Agree? Agree? Form निकल गया. Oh, I missed it, yeah. I missed it when this form came and when this guys, when this goes out. Okay. So quizzes, job alerts, both are important things. Yeah, both are important things. Previous year PDFs with solutions. Yeah, it's also there. It's also there. Pre-courses, test series, study materials, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly, and practice questions. Let's see more information about it. What you need to do, you need to go to the Play Store, then type the Exampur app there. You will find it Exampur Sarkari Naukri Prep. Just open it, install it, register it with your credentials and start using. If you are a SSC Railway aspirant, search the SSC and Railway there. Search the SSC and Railway there. Okay, let's move. Oh, it's easy. It's easy. From the top of the lamppost, two objects on the ground are on the same side of it. Two objects on the ground are on the same side of it. Observed at the angle of depressions of 30 and 60. Do it by external angle property. Do it by external angle property. If this is 60, this is 30, this is also 30. So a problem of two triangle is being converted to a problem of one triangle. Problem of two triangle is being converted to a problem of one triangle because these two sides has become equal. Sides equal to opposite sides equal to equal angles are opposite. Yeah. So we have converted a two triangle problem into a single triangle problem. Distance between the objects was 30 root 3. So this is also 32 root 3. For 60, the ratios are root 3, 1 and 2. 2 is known as 32 root 3. So 1 is equal to 16 root 3. Height is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 16 root 3 into root 3, 48. So come on, everyone will tell me. Come on, guys, everyone will tell me what happens with this external angle property. What is the benefit of this external angle property? Come on, every one of you, please write it in the language. Every one of you, please write it in the language. What happens because of this right angle triangle property? What happens because of this right angle triangle property? You will say, sir, with the help of this, we can convert a we can convert a right angle triangle problem, two triangle problem into a single triangle problem. We can convert a two triangle problem into a single triangle problem. This is, we have done it. Na? Guys, this is what we have done it. Na? Okay. Okay. There is a gulab jamun made up of sweets, sugar and flour. Come on, give me the answers. Doable, yeah. One of the students told me, send me this question yesterday. I thought taking it with you, but while writing, I realized that it's not a difficult one. Yeah. One of the students told me this question yesterday, and then I thought of taking it in the class as well. Now, while writing it and reading it, I realized that it's a doable kind of question. Should I give the options as well? 9, 14, 14, 15, 7, 12. It's from banking. It's from banking. That is why none of these is also there. None of these is also there. Yeah. It's from banking. This question is being asked in banking. Okay. So gulab jamun is made up of sugar and flour. So sugar and flour quantity is in the ratio 3:5, and their price is in the ratio 7:3. And their price is in the ratio 7:3. What will their multiplication, guys? Can I say their multiplication from the expenditure over the total? So expenditure over 21 and expenditure over floor 15. Expenditure over sugar 21, expenditure over floor 15. Expenditure over sugar 21, expenditure over flour 21. So can I say the CP of the gulab jamun is 36? Come on, tell me. The CP of the gulab jamun is 36 because it is getting made up of only these two. Quantity into price is the expenditure. So total 21 rupees chini you bought, total 15 rupees flour you bought. However, there is not a cost of cylinder. Cost of cylinder is not needed to be taken over here. So total CP of the gulab jamun is 36. It is being sold at 16.2/3% profit. 16.2/3 is 2 profit over 3. 2 profit over 3. So if CP is 3, profit is 2, then SP is 5. SP is 5. Yeah. So what is going to be the selling price of the gulab jamun? You know, SP and CP for the gulab jamun would be in the ratio. SP and CP for the gulab jamun would be in the ratio 3:5. So 3:5. If 3 is 36, this is 12. SP is 60. So selling price of the gulab jamun is 60. Selling price of the gulab jamun is 60. 60. And CP of the sugar? CP of the sugar is 21. Because you bought the CP for 21. Because you bought the CP for 21. Simplify it. 7:20. Or you can make this 7:20 as well. Have you find it difficult, guys? Have you find this question difficult? Okay. So I guys generally will try to take all these questions. Yeah, I will try to take, guys, all those important questions which are coming to me every day, every hour. Guys, I will try to take up those for you. I will try to take up those for you on a regular habit, because that will increase your thinking and thought process, and that will increase your level, and that will make you super duper hit at quants. That will make you super duper hit at quants, so that in whatever the examination you will sit, whether in CGL, whether in CPO, whether in CHSL, whether in banking, whether in CDS, whether in anything, guys, you would be the rock star. You would be the rock star. Yeah. So now, guys, I can serve you even like what I was like doing for you. Now I would be doing it in a much I can do it in a much broader way, because now I have some collection from, I'm getting a lot of collection from other exams as well. Okay. I'm getting a lot of collections from other exams as well. The question of quants, which can, guys, make you super duper, yeah, which can make you super duper strong over there. Yeah, Kashi, you can ask. You can ask. Oh, that is. Uh, Please make sure, Prajwal, that when you sit for the mock, you must have revised the formulas, because if you will not be able to revise, if you will not be able to recall anything, you will start feeling panic. Will start feeling panic. Oh my God, I have read this. Now I'm not recalling it. So make a habit of at least revising the things, revising the properties, revising the formulas. 15 minutes you sit for it. On the Telegram, on the WhatsApp, you might be connected over different places. Okay. Over here as well in the comments. So make sure, guys, you make a short note of 2 to 3 pages. Make sure you make a note of short notes of 2 to 3 pages, where all the important properties of geometry, trigonometry, algebra, and some arithmetic important things, some tips and tricks of mixture alligation would be written. Okay. So that what will happen with this, you would not be doing you would not be missing any of the thing, and you would be able to attempt the paper better, and do it in 2 rounds. Yeah, Kash. Yeah, CGL toppers. Harshit will help you. Ram, in reaching there. Okay. So we connect with him. Okay. That's all for today. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye. Meet you in the second session. Take care of yourself. Meet you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.